So FCCS rules, I'm closing this one, log off. FCCS, yes. So we'll open the notes here. So where is my notes, right? So FCCS, you need SBS functions here. Even I am not expert in this one, but yes, we'll write a small rule. Okay. So come here, click on navigate rules, right? Expand EPM cloud, expand rules, expand console, expand rules. Here you can see FCCS underscore 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, right? So all these are inbuilt rules. You cannot change any of these. Only under FCCS underscore 10 only you can write the rules. So expand this, right? Double click, it will open. So here you can write the rules, right? So I am removing this. Yes, we'll write it from scratch. So here you can see, right, all the buttons, right? We always verify the syntax. First I will see, we have to use fix commands. Okay, very very simple. So I'm writing this fix command, fix fix. So right, sorry, fix. So whenever you write a fix command, you have to write end fix. So yes, end fix fix. Okay, end fix. So in between you can write the statement. So now same whatever the rule we have written for HFM, right? We'll write the same rule. So double quote cash cash is equal to 999. Okay, right. So now see, a very very simple rule. When you verify the syntax, it will throw an error message. See, click on verify syntax. So it is saying is equal to, there is some problem with is equal to, right? So what is that problem? So here you have to close this semicolon. Now click on verify syntax again. No syntax errors, correct? Yes. Now the thing is you have to save it. Yes, I'm saved it. Now you have to validate it. Where is validate? Yes, validate. It will throw a validation errors now. See, syntax errors are completely different from validation errors. Okay, see, error. There is an error in the calculation script. How do I check that one? Now come here, go to navigate, go to jobs, and then see. Yes, what is the error message it is saying? A method called by script failed. So see, what is this one? You cannot understand this, but what is the problem is under fix command, right? You have to use some mandatory dimensions. So in the notes I have given you. So right. So here double click verify syntax. Okay, here we cannot use restricted dimensions. Okay, where is fix command? Yeah, see, write the logic with fix command with minimum mandatory dimension members within the fix. So you have to put currency, consolidation, movement, and data source dimension within the fix command. They are mandatory. So come here. So here, what is the currency? So I have to put, just give me 1 second, double quotes. ENTITY by entity, CURRENCY currency. Yes. Again double quotes. DATA comma double quotes. Movement dimension. What is CHANGS INCASH cash? comma. What are the other mandatory dimensions? ఏంటిదమ్మా చెప్పండి? Currency consolidation entity input also, right? So yes, ENTATY entity INPUT input, right? Then now save it, verify syntax. There is no problem. Yes, click on validate and save. Sorry.
Currency spelling is wrong.
Yes, so yes, it will throw an error message. CURRENCY currency. Yes. Now again save this one. Yes, validate. The rule validated with no error. So yes, it will work now. Now you have to deploy it. Click on deploy. Deploying objects. So yes, it will deploy. When you deploy the rule, then only it will be working. So yes, perfect. Now come here. We'll create a, so I'll create a rules. So yes, no, remove this, save this one and close. Open another Excel sheet. Yes, go to smart view panel, private connection. Now go to this. Yes. So we have all the things, right? So yes, copy this and paste it here. Right, POV, yes. Done. We'll write all the now. Right. ACTUL actual, PRIODAC periodic, ENTATY entity, CURRENCY entity currency, CHNGS cash input, input, no intercompany, LOC, LGAP gap, LAP TOPH laptops, FI15, JN Jan, INDA India, yes, CSH cash. Refresh. Laptops is out of place. So what happened? Okay, okay, okay. So yes, yes. Now it should accept. Done. So yes, India, you can pivot. Done. So we are good, right? So yes, cash. So when you consolidate, automatically whatever the 999 will come to cash. Now come here, go to navigate. So first, before consolidation, we have to recompute the ownership data, right? So January, put it as January. Click OK. Right. Click on recompute ownership data. Now we'll consolidate. Automatically, you will see the value in cash. Right. Come here. Go to navigate, roles, consolidate. Yes, this is January. Remaining everything is okay. Launch. That's it. So it should write the data 999 to cash. Consolidation time should not take long. Right? Yes, come here. Correct. So refresh and then see. ఎందుకు రాలేదమ్మా ఇది? So CSH cash, right? Yes, no issue. So in FCCS there is a concept called block. So I'll write some 10 data here. Block creation. Okay. So now we'll do the consolidation. This will be overwritten now. Right now again we'll do the consolidation. Click on consolidate. Yes, launch. Right now come here, refresh. See, 999, right? So this is how we write a rule in FCCS. So I want to restrict this to only a particular member, India. Can I do that one? Yes, you can do that one. But right, so you have to use some functions, right? So in our I have given you S-based command functions. All these are functions. Okay. See, these are the functions you can use. But right, you have to byheart this first. Even I am not very much comfortable with these FCCS rules. గుర్తుంచుకోండి 90% you won't write any rules in FCCS because it is all the rules are inbuilt. ఎప్పుడో కానీ మీకు అవసరం రాదు. Very very rare cases you will write a rule file in FCCS. So right, all these functions you can use. So we use some function called huh? మీకు ఈ ఫైల్ పంపించుంటానమ్మా, ఎక్సెల్లో పెట్టాను. అది అంటే స్క్రీన్ షాట్లో ఉందని కానీ ఇది ఓకేనా. ఇది ఇస్తాను మీకు చూడండి. ఇది మీకు ఇస్తాను ఎందుకంటే అది దాంట్లో పెడితే మీకేమి అర్థం కావట్లేదు అనమాట అది, అందుకనే రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, సో హౌ డు ఐ restrict with this one? So here I have to use is if condition is member. Okay, so here I'll put it as, I'll restrict this to only what is that here, 1 minute, just go to the notes here. So here cache I can put like this, local gap. We can put account product multi gap but not other functions. So I cannot put year. You under cross operator we cannot use restricted dimensions like years, entity, period, scenario. What do you mean by cross operator? This is called cross operator. So from here we'll do one thing, right? So here dash LOCL double quotes LOCLGAAP. Yes. So it will run only for cache and local gap, not other members. Okay, it is possible. But if you want to restrict with each member, how do I do that one? So this is the nodes. So this one, each member function, right? You can put India for this one, right? Now come here, go to here. Where is my Excel? So here, copy this and paste it here. And where is my here? JAP and Japan, refresh. See, here also it written because I did not restrict my entity here. Now we will restrict now. Come here. So we have to use function called if function. If at the rate of ISMBR, right? If is member at the rate of is member. Now I will open another bracket, double quotes INDIA, right? So yes, we got F, so we have to put ENDIF. Done. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా తప్పు ఉందా? Yes, there is a small mistake here. So here, right, directly after fix you cannot use if. So save this one. Done. Yes, first verify syntax. So here it is saying if is error, if is highlighted, so it is throwing an error message. So I told you, right, there is a block creation concept in FCCS. What is that block creation concept? So here one of the member you have to take it from here, right, remove this and you have to put here, and then you have to start your open bracket here, and then your close bracket should be before, 1 minute. So where should be your close bracket? after and if, right? That's it. Yes. So just give me 1 second, we'll make it big. Right now click on verify syntax. Yes, done. సో ఈ చిన్న చిన్న సింటాక్స్ ఎర్రర్స్ మీకు వేరే దారి లేదమ్మా, యూ టు డిపెండ్ ఆన్ గూగుల్. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ వెరీ మచ్ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ దిస్ ఎఫ్సిసిఎస్ రూల్స్. ఓ ఏదో బేసిక్స్, వెరీ వెరీ బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాను నేను. బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఐ కెనాట్ బికమ్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్, ఐ నో. బికాస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? In FCCS, they did not give much scope to write the rules. But in EPBCS, regularly they will write the rules. They will become experts. Literally, whoever works on EPBCS projects, right? They will become experts. So yes, click on.
సార్ ఇండియా అనేది షేర్డ్ మెంబర్ కదా.
అవును.
సో అప్పుడు ఇండియాకి ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది.
No, no, it will write both the Indias. Error రాదండి 100%.
సరే.
Right? Deployment was successful. Now, yes, now go to your rules. Click on consolidation rules. Already it is there, right? So click on consolidate, launch. See? Okay, we'll do one thing. We have to change the values, right? So error detected. Yes, we'll see. Click on jobs. What is the error message? Click on consolidate. Yes, error. Okay, unable to resolve duplicate member. Oh, శివ గారు మీరు ఇదేనా చెప్పేది? Yes, yes, yes. So yes, India is a shared member, right? So you have to.
అది మనం కోర్స్ లో పెట్టాం కదా సార్, అందుకని రెండింటికి అని చెప్పారు కదా సార్.
Correct, correct. So here you have to put it as ASIA Asia dot India. Okay, right? So here I'll change the value also to 333. Okay, save this one. Yes, first verify syntax errors. Yes, and then validate. Now it will show the validation error. So the member Asia could not be found. ఏం చేయాలమ్మా ఇది? ఈ మెంబర్ని ఎలా రాయాలి? సో అక్కడ ఎలా తీసుకుంటుంది సిస్టము? సో ఇండియా, click on select member, total geography, asia dot india. ఇది కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయండి అంతే, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు కూడా డోంట్ బి కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్, రైట్? ఎస్, ఇట్ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ నౌ ఐ గెస్. డన్, సేవ్, డన్, validate, done, deploy, done. Now come here, click on navigate, rules, do the consolidation. Yes, launch. Done. Now come here, refresh and see. Okay, save. Sorry, save. Okay, no need to save. Right click on here and then refresh. See, 333. So it will work only on India now. It won't work
సార్
on
ఇప్పుడు
here.
మీ షేర్డ్ మెంబర్ కదా సార్, దానికి కూడా వెళ్ళింది ఒకసారి.
వెళ్ళిపోద్ది 100%, 200% it will go. Trust me. So here go to, because you cannot restrict, right? So M hierarchy underscore India. Yes, refresh. కాకపోతే మనం కన్సల్టేషన్ దాన్ని చేయలేదు కాబట్టి నా పాత ఉంది 999. ఓకేనా?
ఇప్పుడు మనం అక్కడ కన్సల్టేట్ కొడితే మొత్తం అవుతుంది కదా సార్, అన్ని హైరార్కీ అవుదా?
కాదు కదా, హైరార్కీ ఓన్లీ టోటల్ జియోగ్రఫీ కదా, అది అది వేరే హైరార్కీ కదా, రైట్? సో ఎస్, ఐ విల్ క్లారిఫై యువర్ డౌట్ నౌ. క్లిక్ ఆన్
అర్థమైంది సార్.
కన్సల్టేట్, select this as M hierarchy. Okay, sorry, click on M hierarchy, then click OK. launch. Done. Now come here, refresh. ఎందుకు అవ్వలేదమ్మా ఇది? సో సేమ్ block creation, click on 10 and then submit data. Now do the consolidation. No, అవ్వదండి ఇది నా లెక్క ప్రకారం, because we have written asia.india, right?
హ్మ్.
Yes,
కానీ
yes.
మనం ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏసిన అడ్జస్ట్‌మెంట్ ఎన్‌టి కరెన్సీకే కదా సార్. అంటే రెండిట్లో రావాలి కదా షేర్డ్
కాదు
మెంబర్స్.
కాదు కాదు బికాస్ దిస్ ఈస్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ రూల్, రైట్? మనకి పేరెంట్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం ఉంటుంది కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉండదు. నార్మల్ రాదు, ఇది 100% రాదు. సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ రిఫ్రెష్ రూల్స్. నో, రాదు. కరెక్ట్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద హైరార్కీ యూ ఎంటర్, ఓన్లీ దట్ హైరార్కీ ఇట్ విల్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్. ఓకే. సో ఎస్, so this is called a simple rule. Now we have to use some functions. So I want to clear this 999 value. How do I clear? You have to use clear function. Come here. So yes, remove this. Yes, or you can put it also. If so, this is the function I have to use. What is the function? Clear function. So clear data, clear, clear data. So csh cache, that's it. Okay, function అర్థమైందమ్మా? Right. So save this one. Syntax errors, no. So save this one. Now go to validate. Validate, there is some error. So what is the errors? నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. ఇది ఫంక్షన్ క్లియర్ డేటానా? క్లియర్ డేటా ఫంక్షన్ ఉందే. సో సేవ్ once again. It's not syntax error. Okay, validate. చూద్దామా? Yes. Go to jobs and see what is the validation error it is throwing. Right, error. ఏదో ఎర్రర్, an error occurred while parsing the script. ఇలాంటి ఎర్రర్లు నేను కూడా కనిపెట్టలేను. లైన్ నెంబర్ 2 అంటుంది. ఏంటిది ఇది? లైన్ నెంబర్ 2. ఓకే, ఇదా కాదు, అది కేస్ ఇన్స్టూనా? ఎస్ అనుకుంటాను. కాదు. సో ఐ గెస్ సస్పెక్ట్ ఐ కెనాట్ పుట్ దిస్ వన్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎస్, డన్. సో రిమూవ్ దిస్. నౌ విల్ సి. ఇట్ షుడ్ save this one. Yes, validate. Yes. Now click on deploy. Done. Now go to rules, consolidate. Now come here, refresh. See, it cleared. So this is how we use other functions. So is MBR, right? You can use level 0 members, current member, etc., also, right? So but you need not stress on these rules, FCCS rules. Okay, in live normally we don't write FCCS rules. very very rare species. Okay, done.